Hi, kids! What's that lovely smell? Is it a cookie? No, it's a flower. But wait, why do flowers smell so sweet and yummy? So let's find out. One day, little Tina went to the garden and sniffed a rose. Wow, this rose smells like magic, Tina said. Hello, Tina. I have a sweet smell to invite some tiny friends over. Want to know why? Rose said. Yes, please. Flowers make a sweet smell using something called nectar oils or natural perfumes that comes from their petals. But why? To call special visitors called pollinators. These insects and birds help the flowers grow seeds by carrying their pollen. So the flower says, "Come here, little bee. I smell sweet just for you." So why do some flowers smell more than others? Brightly colored flowers and those with strong smells are like big signs that say, "Hey bees, come visit me." Some flowers don't smell much because they use winds, not bugs, to share their pollen. Can you find a flower at home or in the park? Smell it gently and tell us, what does it remind you of? Does it smell like candy? Like lemon? Like honey? Did you know? Not just bees, but even some bats and moths love the smell of flowers at night. Now I know flowers smell sweet to call their little friends, Tina said. Yes, flowers don't wear perfumes. They are the perfumes. So which flower smell do you like the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and smell the flowers around you today. Thank you so much.